go to theme footer, enable footer section. You can select a theme footer with single column, 2 columns, 3 columns, or 4 columns. To customize first column, go to Manage Footer Widget 1. Start adding widgets. I have added heading widget. Next, I have added paragraph widget and filled in the Blaze theme's description there. You need to add description of your own site. After this, I have added social platforms widget. Erase widget title. Go back, footer sidebar column 2. There are 11 plus custom Blogistic widgets. I have added post list widget. Edit the number of posts to show for better appearance. You can enable or disable Ajax load more button. Finally, footer sidebar column 3. I'm going to add carousel post widget. Now return back to theme footer section. In design tab, I have selected Laura font for block title. In text, same Laura font, medium italic. In color settings, you can select block title color, text color, background color, and border top. Afterwards, moving on to bottom footer. Enable bottom footer. Edit copyright text. You can show social icons, show or hide logo. You can pull the logo from the site or upload a custom logo. If you selected custom logo, upload footer logo. You can also determine logo width. In design tab, open sans for text. Medium font weight. You can also select typography for link. In color settings, you can select text color, link color, background color, border top, and edit section padding. Blogistic theme is user-friendly, SEO-friendly, and has a wide range of premium features, so you can create a fabulous blog with Blogistic theme. We have now reached the end of the video. I hope you learned a lot. Enjoy Blogistic theme and customization of your WordPress blog. Take care.